NAACP for calling us together today around the important issue of voting rights. I want to thank the NAACP and all the other national groups who increase our awareness of the attacks on voter rights and call us to action to protect those rights. The restrictive Pennsylvania Voter ID Law of 2012 was not fully implemented and will hopefully never be enforced, but it created a lot of confusion for voters. Confusion discourages voters. The people of Pennsylvania face significant issues: environmental damage from fracking, funding crises for so many of our public schools, the failure to expand Medicaid coverage. We do not need voter ID law confusion hampering the ability of all citizens to address these issues through the election process. Our country cries out for more justice and more access for all citizens in the election and governing process. We cannot abide the cynicism, distortions, and chicanery that result when dollars and those who toss around billions of dollars have so much more power to determine the outcome of elections than the average. We need laws to get the money out of politics. A constitutional amendment and protective legislation are urgently needed. We cannot thrive as a democracy when huge numbers of minorities, especially African Americans, have landed in prison due to the 3-decades-long growth of criminalization traps set for them, as described in Michelle Alexander's book, The New Jim Crow. The jail sentences they face are often unjust, and those caught in our criminal justice system, even unfairly, are often denied voting rights for years. When the survival of our planet is so threatened by climate change, when lives and livelihoods are threatened by wars,